Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic how to evaluate the postfix expression. Already, we have discussed the algorithm to implement evaluation of postfix expression with one example. This is the second example. Consider the infix expression given as 14 divided by 7 into 3 minus 4 plus 9 divided by 2. This is the given infix expression. This expression you need to evaluate. So here directly we cannot able to evaluate the infix expression. The infix expression should be converted into postfix expression. Then the postfix expression only we can able to evaluate. So how to convert infix to postfix expression? Algorithm with few examples already we have discussed. I will provide the link in the description for your reference. So those conversion we have implemented with stack data structure step by step. So if you are implementing the complete procedure in the sense, it will be lengthy. So here manually we will convert the infix expression into postfix expression, and then the converted postfix expression we will evaluate with the help of the stack data structure step by step. Okay. So here the given expression is 14 divided by 7 into 3 minus 4 plus 9 divided by 2. This is the given infix expression. In this expression, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction operators are there. So here, first we need to consider the precedence rule. So precedence rule is nothing but which operator is having higher precedence, that should be converted first. Even evaluation also, that should be evaluated first. Okay. So here, arithmetic operator, multiplication, division and modulus is having higher precedence compared to addition and subtraction. And multiplication and division operator, if we are considering, both is having equal precedence. In that case, we need to consider associativity rule. Associativity is from left to right for arithmetic operators. So, from left to right, which operator presents first, that should be evaluated first. Okay. So, here from left to right, first is the division operator. So, we need to convert this division operator first. So, this is the infix expression. What do you mean by postfix expression? Postfix expression is nothing but operands will comes first, then comes the operator. So first operand is 14, second operand is 7. So first operand is 14, second operand is 7, then comes the operator division. Infix expression in the sense operator will present in between the operands. Postfix expression is nothing but operands will comes first, at last at the end only operator will present. Now we have converted this as a postfix one. Okay. The remaining expression as it is you write down. Next preference is multiplication and division. From left to right multiplication presents first. So we need to convert this multiplication operator first. So first operand is 14, 7 division. Second operand is 3. So first operand 14, 7 division. Second operand is 3. Operator is multiplication. The remaining expression as it is write down. Next preference is here subtraction, addition and division operator is there. Among these three, division operator is having higher precedence. So this is 14, 7 division 3 star minus 4 plus first operand here is 9, second operand is 2. So 9 to division you will get it. Next if you are considering subtraction and addition operation is there. Here also addition and subtraction is having equal precedence. In that case, we need to consider the associativity rule. From left to right, subtraction operator presents first. So, what subtraction operator first? So, first operand is this complete thing. 14, 7, division, 3 star. Second operand is 4. Operator is minus. And now, only addition operator is there. So, this complete thing you need to convert now. First operand is 14, 7, division, 3 star, 4 minus. Second operand is 9, 2 division, operator is plus. So, this is the final postfix expression. You will get it for this given infix expression. Now, this postfix expression, we are going to evaluate the expression and find the result using stack data structure. So this is the infix expression. What is the postfix expression we got? The postfix expression is 14, 7 division 3 star 4 minus 9 2 division plus. Okay. This is the postfix expression. So here to evaluate the postfix expression using stack data structure, step by step. As per the algorithm, step by step, if you want to implement in the sense, we need 3 columns. One is what is the input character you are going to scan, then stack data structure, and the postfix evaluation, what is the comment. Every step what you are doing, that you have to write down here. So here, initially, nothing will be in stack. This is the postfix expression, nothing you are pushing into the stack. And the first character here is, that is the first operand here is 14. So if it is an operand, already we know the algorithm. At the end of the infix expression, you have to add a closed parenthesis. This represents the end of the expression. While evaluating the expression, each and every step, one element you are going to read. By the time when you reach this closed parenthesis, it represents the end of the postfix expression, meaning this our evaluation comes to an end. So to represent that, we are adding the closed parenthesis at the end of the expression. And in every step, whenever you are reading an operand in the sense, push it onto the stack. And if it is an operator, pop the top 2 elements from the stack and implement that operation. Then the result, you have to push it onto the stack. This procedure continues until you reach this closed parenthesis. Okay. So this is the algorithmic steps. So first element here is 14. 14 is an operand. So push 14 into stack. Now you have to place 14 into the stack. And the remaining elements 7 division 3 star 4 minus 9 2 division plus closed parenthesis. And the next element here is 7. Push 7 into stack because 7 is an operand. Okay. So 14 will be there and 7 will be there. In stack, how it will be represented? 14 you have to push first. Then if you are pushing 7 in the sense, 7 will be at the top of the stack. Okay. Next, the remaining input characters are division 3 star 4 minus 9 2 division plus. Okay. Next comes the operator, division operator. Now you have to implement this division operation for the top 2 elements. So the top 2 elements of the stack is 14 and 7. 7 is the top element, next is 14. Okay. So here pop 7 and 14. First you have to pop 7, then you have to pop 14. Okay. Then you have to implement, first element will be considered as A, second element will be considered as B. So B divided by A. So 14 divided by 7 you have to implement and you will get it as 2. Push 2 into stack. Okay. Now for these top 2 elements, division operation you have to implement. And then what is the result you are getting, that you have to push it onto the stack. Okay. And the remaining input characters are 3 star 4 minus 9 2 division plus closed parenthesis. Next element is 3. So push 3 into stack. Now 2 at the top, 3 will be pushed. Remaining elements are star 4 minus 9 2 division plus closed parenthesis. And next comes the operator multiplication. So pop 3 and 2, then implement 2 into 3. The result you will get it as 6. Push 6 onto the stack. Now 6 you have to push it onto the stack. Next is 4 minus 9 2 division plus closed parenthesis. Next 4 is an operand. So push 4 into stack. Remaining input characters are minus 9 2 division plus closed parenthesis. Now 4 you have to push it onto the stack. 4 will be at the top of the stack. Okay. Next comes the subtraction operation. So pop 2 top elements, that is 4 and 6. Then implement 6 minus 4. Value is 2. Push 2 onto the stack. Able to understand? Whenever you are encountering an operator, pop the top 2 elements from the stack and implement the corresponding operation. If it is addition, implement addition. If it is subtraction, implement subtraction. Multiplication, implement multiplication. Likewise, corresponding operation you have to implement between the top 2 elements. And what is the result you are getting? Push it onto the stack. Now the result is 2. And the remaining input characters are 9 2 division plus closed parenthesis. Okay. And then here next is operand. 9 is an operand. So push 9 into stack. Already in the stack 2 is there. Now you have to push 9 into the stack. Next is 2, division plus closed parenthesis. Next comes the operand 2. Now push 2 into stack. 2 is an operand. So you have to push 2 into stack. Already stack contents are 2, 9. Now you have to push 2 into stack. Now this 2 will be the top element of the stack. And next comes division and plus closed parenthesis, remaining input characters. Then next you need to read the input character division. Division is an operator. So pop 2 elements from the stack. Pop 2 and 9. Then implement 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. This is a division operator. So whenever you are dividing, division operator will return only equation, not the remainder. So 4 2s are 8. The remainder 4.5 it won't consider. Only 4 it will consider. Now push 4 into stack. So these two elements you have popped and you have implemented division operation. Now the result you have to push it onto the stack again. So result is 4. Already stack content is 2. Only top 2 elements you are popping. You are not disturbing this element, right? So top 2 elements you are popping and implement the corresponding operation. What is the currently input operator is there? Implement that corresponding operation. Resultant value is 4. That you have to push it again into the stack. And then plus closed parenthesis. And next comes the operator. Pop the top 2 elements. What are all the top 2 elements? First is 4 and next is 2. So 4 and 2 you have to pop it. And what is the operation you have to implement? It is an addition operator. So 2 plus 4 you have to implement. You will get it as 6. And 6 again you have to push it onto the stack. What is the result you are getting? 6. 6 you have to push it onto the stack. Next comes the closed parenthesis. And in the stack 6 will be there. Okay. So next input character is closed parenthesis. Means it reached the end of the postfix expression. So exit. Now the expression evaluation comes to an end. Exit. That is the meaning. Okay. So what is the resultant value you will get it? The value was 6. So if you are evaluating this infix expression in the sense, the result you will get it as 6. Okay. This infix expression we have converted into postfix expression, and the postfix expression only the computer can able to handle it efficiently. Okay, this infix expression computer cannot able to handle. So that the conversion of infix to postfix is very, very important. That also stack data structure is required, and for this evaluation also stack data structure is required. So this is the algorithmic steps to implement how to evaluate the postfix expression. You need to follow all these steps. Okay, then only you will get the full mark. Even the comment also you need to write down properly. Still few more examples we will discuss. Thank you for watching this video.